Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about using Koho outside of Canada. Koho is a Canadian financial technology company. While you can use a Koho card for purchases in other countries, there are some important details to be aware of. First, you must be a resident of Canada to open a Koho account. The sign-up process requires a Canadian address and a valid social insurance number for tax reporting purposes. When you're traveling, you can use your Koho card anywhere MasterCard is accepted, and this includes making purchases and withdrawing cash from ATMs. However, your Koho account only holds Canadian dollars. When you make a purchase in another currency, the amount is converted back to CAD using the MasterCard exchange rate on the day the purchase is processed. You should also be aware of foreign transaction fees. Depending on your Koho plan, there may be a foreign transaction fee added to your purchases. Some higher-tier plans, like Koho Extra and Everything, eliminate these fees. In summary, while you can't open a Koho account from outside of Canada, you can certainly use your Koho card for spending and cash withdrawals when you travel. Just be mindful of the currency conversion and any potential foreign transaction fees that might apply to your account. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.